Welcome, sacred soul. Today you are entering a temple within, a sacred realm where remembrance awakens. This is not a meditation to fix you. It is a journey home to your true self, the one that is made of stardust, mystery, and ancient magic. Find a quiet space. Sit or lie down with intention. Close your eyes and take a deep breath. Inhale slowly through your nose. Hold. Exhale through your mouth. Again, inhale slowly. Hold. And exhale. Let yourself drop into softness. Let the veil between worlds begin to thin. Feel the weight of your body. Feel the earth rise to meet you. Breathe in stillness. Breathe out everything you do not need. Bring awareness to your feet, your legs, your hips, your belly, your chest, your arms, your throat, your head. Let every part of you soften as though being kissed by starlight. Now place one hand on your heart and one on your solar plexus. Breathe into this union. This is where your inner portal begins to flow. Visualize a warm golden sphere of light swirling around your chest. It begins to open like the unfolding of a flower. And with that, a soft breeze moves across your skin. A shimmer begins to form around you. You are no longer just in a room. You are in a sacred forest, ancient, alive, remembering. The trees hum your name. The earth recognizes your step. You walk barefoot, led by golden fireflies. A clearing appears ahead, and in the center, a shimmering mirror pool. Approach it. Look into it. You see yourself. Not just how you look, but who you are. Cloaked in light, eyes like the galaxies, every inch of you pulsing with power. You are not becoming, you are remembering. As you kneel at the mirror pool, the air shifts, the trees part, and beings of light begin to step forward. They are your guides, your ancestors, your spirit allies. Some take the form of fairies cloaked in silk and laughter. Others appear as beings cloaked in the elemental magic: earth, wind, flame, water. They encircle you with reverence. They bow to your arrival. They have been waiting for you. One step forward, placing your hand in theirs. They press their palm to your heart. You feel a surge of energy, a remembrance flooding your cells. They whisper, "You are the spell. You always were. We are only here to help you remember." They move in a sacred dance around you, weaving ribbons of gold and violet light through your aura. You feel your power rising, your light activating, your cells realigning. Take a few moments to be here, to feel, to allow your own becoming. Now one guide steps forward with a gift, a scroll or a stone, a staff or a flame. Notice what they offer you. Receive it. Hold it to your chest. Let the knowing transfer into your being. You may now ask one question, or simply sit in communion and listen. Notice what messages arise for you. The light begins to soften. The forest hums a lullaby. The guides gather around one last time. One by one they bless you with touch, with word, with light. You bow in gratitude. And as you walk away from the mirror pool, your steps are no longer uncertain. You walk as the spell. You walk as the light. You carry the magic now. It is you. It always has been. Return to your breath. Feel your physical body. Wiggle your fingers and toes. Breathe deep into your belly. You are not waiting. You are not lost. You are the sacred one. You are the spell. May you carry this remembering into everything you touch. May you dress, speak, eat, and create as the enchantment that you are. The world has been waiting for your light. Welcome back, sweet one. Namaste.